4:05. Leicester. Right, 12:57, Sunday the 17th of November 2024 for the 1300 hours Northern Train service from Sheffield. So as per Sunday diagrams, this will be a 3-car 150. And there's 2 more currently being formed now at other depots, which will then lead us up to 150-008. But then here's the thought, will there be more converted into 3-car than eventually being completely scrapped? So I'm not sure when the scrappage is due to start with Northerns, but they have in the last week started to form number 7 and number 8. This is neither of them. Train approaching. This will go to platform 5 and then make his way to Huddersfield in 15 minutes. Or 50-003. Which was part of 116 and 209, which came from Great Western Railway Bogless. That's no platforms. We'll see you in 15 minutes for its departure. That's early, whatever it is. You know where it is, it's him, he's 5 minutes away. But of course he is, why not? Just shy of 13:12 for the 13:17 East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham and the 13:14 Northern Train service to Huddersfield. But first, the East Midlands, that's 5 minutes away. Only just jumped over Booton Junction now, which is the first one we've been routed for. He ain't even ready yet, he leaves 2 minutes time. Right, Huddersfield said he's ready to leave. think gives the road off for 5 onto the down. Eventually. There we go, that's as good as cleared. He's still back there yet though. So that doesn't really make any difference at all. You again. Oh god, let's unsubscribe immediately. Right, is this thing going yet?
Yes.
Yep, right, it's the mashup of a pair of 150s.
One's cut in half.
Yeah, it was reformed.
I got the RTT badge.
So here's 150-003, Formula 150-116 and 150-209. It's 799. From Nottingham. Right, if you're able to use stairs, it's probably best that you do because this train is a fair distance away.
Oh.
1323 for the 1344 freight train from Lindsay Oil Refinery to Kingsbury Oil Sidings.
Carrying jet fuel.
Ages back. Where he is between Cherry Willingham and that bloody foot crossing behind the industrial estate at Allenby. He's ages away. But he has been routed through and all.
I've got one that goes to where I'm going now, Booton Park. No.
Don't eat onions, do you? Richard Hammond.
I never used to.
Is it ain't raining? Yes. Oh yes. I should
You're in a fucking state.
It's alright. I'm not paying for it.
Even your fucking hair's coming out like bits of fucking grass.
I'm insured, I'm taxed. I don't pay a penny.
Both. This is still about 25 years away. And it's going to feel like it as well.
Well, yeah.
I think he's roughly just cleared Cherry Willingham barriers, and that's a fair distance back.
I thought.
Because he hasn't yet jumped over the area at Allenby Estate behind Monks Road.
Oh.
He just has now. And that's where 7845 and 52 are. They're at the industrial estate area.
He's ages away.
I know.
I'm going to finish this up.
We've been 2 minutes now, is at least another 2 or 3 away.
I really want to be fed, but
I devoured that.
Half it went to the fucking birds.
I don't First one being,
It did, but it
she's
is.
got one of these as well, so she had more trouble getting to mine than I've got getting to hers.
Things were efficient half an hour ago, now they've gone to lazy.
The language.
Hmm?
Do you not like the language?
Bollocks.
No, all the links and that one, I'm going to upload them anyway.
You're never going to upload anything. Page is there to die.
Well, the bloody pair of 37s are staying. Oh. Open up.
Op.
I did that last time I was here. Now you're meditating.
This is still a fair way back yet. The barriers have now been down for 4 minutes. There's at least another 2 minutes to go.
Yeah.
Train just jumped off Pelham Street.
There can be pricks as signallers sometimes.
I could say it was more efficient half an hour ago, and now it's just gone to straight outright lazy.
Should I delete the What, the freight? Is it for the freight?
Yeah. Because like, what need is just to throw him down when he's up to 4 miles off?
I missed the bloody Hangman. D2, I'll smooth. Got any new alarms yet?
No, nothing's changed. It's been a decade of these booms now. Because the last refresh was November 16th, 2014. And they're shitty pants like, ooh, new barriers this month. No, there ain't. It's all wet, because it would have been today, this early hours this morning. Like the last bunch were. And they were done in halves.
Oh.
What they need to do next time is fit them better so they join in the middle of the road and not off either side. Are we here yet? Here we go. 7805. Yeah, and you've got a really old butcher as well. That's the louder one, the oldest. So you can tell it's a full rake, because they're not usually included. Like I say, it's the older ones that are making the noises. Fuck, that one's over. That took forever. It shouldn't have taken as long as it did. Just shy of 13:38 for the 13:38 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. It's in comparison to the last train, This one's pretty much ready to leave. Whilst the previous train, the freight train, wasn't even in the area. Our doors are closed, let's go.
That way.
It was really quick. Oh, it's 799. For Nottingham. How's that? There and gone in under 2 minutes. Paris Rays at 2 minutes and 3. Well, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.